The disappearance. There once was a man named Marco who had a close relationship with his brothers. His brothers vanished one day. Marco was unaware that they were in shipwreck. He would always wait for them to arrive near an old stone wall they frequented as kids. He once noticed a small piece of a broken ship washed ashore on the beach while he was waiting for his brothers, and he wondered where it came from. He grew concerned that it might be a piece of the ship his brothers were traveling on, but he prayed it wasn't. Still concerned, Marco traveled to the shipping port of the closest city and started asking the locals if they knew anything about any shipwreck. Marco was losing hope because no one knew anything until he discovered a small cat. He made the choice to pursue the cat until he unintentionally discovered the remaining pieces of the sunken ship. He instantly realized that this ship belonged to his brothers. Sadly, it turned out to be his brother's ship, and when the troops went to investigate, they discovered the remains at the bottom of the ocean. He was happy to finally learn what had become of his brothers, despite the awful translation.